Tension is building, pressure mounting, and anxiety rising as Kenyans await the big launch ya kirugorio gya kiama kia Rigathi Gachagua. Gachagua ni akoretwo akiuga ati mweri wa gatano tariki 15 niguo agakorwo akirugoria kiama. And now that we are in May, that month now, Kenyans are now really waiting. Ne kiama gikoretwo getereirwo ni a Kenya na njira ĩmwe nene muno. And if there is one person that we have seen mobilize na gukorwo akinyitithania andu ni Rigathi Gachagua, na uria akoretwo akinyitithania region ya Mount Kenya. And it is something that despite the fact that ni akoretwo agikanio ni andu aingi, he has been doing that despite the fact that he has been labeled a tribalist, mtu ya shares, mtu ya mambo yote, yeye amesimama na mlima. And it has been very admirable to even other regions. And tuonete thaici ginya andu a Korea Coast region ni marefa gore ari umegukorwo ona makirugoria kiama kiao nigetha makorwo na that sense of belonging. Korea Kisii muthenya wa umuthi ni twarikia kuona Matiang'i. There was a lot of people there waiting for Matiang'i to speak. Now ironania ginya ko ni marenda gukorwo na that sense of mudura maririria na koguo andu ni makoretwo metereire kiama giki gia Gachagua. As people await, a report has been released. Hena report yakoro ikirekererio na yakoro ikileak important information kana critical information about the new party that is about to be launched. Yakoro ikileak some rivalry iriaci among andu aria me mwena ucio wa Munyoro kana mwena wa Itungati. Na gwakorwo ginya gukihithurio ati there is a bit of breakup between the people there. Na ona kiama kiu kiretagwo kia Itungati WhatsApp group thaici iretwo Matigari. Oho bado ni hahithuritio ati there is a weakening relationship between Rigathi Gachagua na Kalonzo Musyoka. Na kuna ati thaici me in that coalition ya gukorwo makisend Ruto out. That is very dangerous. Na kuigua uhoro ta ucio bado ni ra confirm. Recently nitukoretwo tukiona Murara Kibaso akiuga ati Kalonzo Musyoka SKM is being paid by Ruto za ndani. Bere ya maundu macio mothe reke tuthome this report ya Dennis Itumbi commentary. The Hustler Nation Intelligence Bureau can report that the political party that the impeached DP Rigathi Gachagua plans to unveil is Democracy for the Citizens Party, DCP. As he prepares to launch it, he will be hosting 60 former MPs and MPs allied to Kalonzo Musyoka on Saturday at his home. Already, the inner circle is crumbling as they accuse him of not taking any ideas. What was an Itungati inner circle has a new WhatsApp group titled Matigari. Already, Githunguri MP wa Mushoba, Maragwa MP wa Maua, and political henchmen Gojiri wa Bogo have left the group. Kalonzo is reportedly unhappy as Rigiji has snatched one of his key men to be SG of the new party. Olelenku men will also fill the positions in the party as Rigiji seeks to replicate Kibaki's DP that had John Kin and SSG. The headquarters of the party is in Riara Road in Kilimani, Nairobi. The party website suggests the slogan of an year. It is so declassified. Ni horo wakoro ukirekererio haria ni Dennis Itumbi. Dennis Itumbi hena investigation iria agikoragwo agika kuria eta blogger wa thirikari na ni akorwo akihithuria that information, which is good. Akoni kiama kiu kiragikorwo kihithurio, that is very good actually. It's called the Democracy for the Citizens Party, DCP. Na hena maundu haria dakoro realize na expose no is that right now hena adu in this season of politics, people are moving from side to side. It is very normal mundu gukorwo akiuma mwena wa Gachagua athi mwena wa thirikari ashoke athi mwena wa Raila ashoke. It is very normal right now. Na koguo kuona ati hena Gojiri, hena wa Maua, hena wa Mushoba maybe ni maumite. It is very normal. Hena doge bado marauma kuria mwena ongi magathi mwena wa Gachagua. Hena ge bado marauma ku magakorwo me independent. Tronire ginya Peter Salasya thaici ni aria yumiririe na arauga ona kireu ni akuingirira giti kiu kia president and he will be running for that president seat. But one thing that has shocked me is that even after being impeached, Rigathi Gachagua is being investigated by the Hustler Nation Intelligence Bureau. Even after gukorwo ati ni impeachwo na riu makiuga ati it is over for him politically. Nĩ favor ya Ngai ĩtũtũragia itungati haro. This really shows that Wamunyoro team nĩ cause a lot of headache in State House. Na ngwĩciria the response ya ũrĩa andũ magĩkorwo makĩrespond to that story is not maybe what they expected. Tondũ ndona andũ moerera ũhoro ũcio na njĩra ĩmwe njega. People makorwo makĩhĩmbĩria ũndũ ũcio wega. If that is the party, then it is okay. Akoti kĩumba ciona we just 2 weeks nĩtũkũmenya and we will know everything about the party. So ndiũĩ maoni maku megiĩ ũhoro ũyũ. Nĩ ũhoro wakorwo ũgĩtuthũra ndereti ĩmwe nene mũno mũthenya wa ũmũthĩ about the story ya Gathoni wa Mũcoba na wa Maua gũkorwo nĩ maumĩte mwena wa Wamunyoro mena Ngũnjiri wa Mbogo Ngũnjiri, which I think that is a non-issue. It is normal at this time in politics. Very normal. Very normal. Ucio wa Maua maybe akarĩkĩrĩria kĩama gĩkĩ kĩa DCP. Maybe ona Icũng'wa akarũgama MP na kĩama kĩa DCP. Hey, maybe ona Esawa wa Murang'a toko akarũgama na DCP. Politics is so unpredictable. You can predict nothing. You cannot predict nothing.